Right guys, I'm running my slider for Amazing Spider-Man number 4, which is Fat Silk. Time 8:21 Perth time, which is 8:21 here on Monday the 29th. List has 96 spots, ending with Dan, beginning with Anthony. And we've got Anthony at number 1, Dan at number 96. Oops, let's roll the dice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's 15 is the magic number. Let's get started. 1, 96 times, so that's all good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 times. 6 and 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15, 2 more to go. Second last one. And last one, good luck everyone. Winner, contact me when they've seen this. Alright, 15 times. 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 5 is 15. 15. Alright. Winner is Rishi. Congrats, mate. You with the other kids at home, congratulations. Times now. 8:23, 8:23, 6, 4, 10, 15. Rishi's the winner with spot 54 and 15 rolls. Thanks everyone.